So welcome back class 6. As we were studying whole numbers, and in the previous video we have understood about some properties, and we are continuing with property. So this is the next property, which is known as distributivity of multiplication over addition. Let us try to understand what it says. It says there are two operations, multiplication and addition, and it says the statement is if a comma b and c are whole numbers then the statement is a multiplied by b plus c is, now pay attention here is we have to multiply a with the addition of b and c. We have to multiply a with the addition of b and c, and this says, that is why this is, we have to distribute a, which is under the operation of multiplication, with these two terms which are under the operation of addition. So the property is distributivity of multiplication over addition, and it says, but how you will find out? If you want, you can do it in like this. First you will multiply this with b, so this will be equals to b, then here is sign of addition plus a multiplied by c. So this property is known as distributivity of multiplication over addition. Understood? Okay, let us try to understand this with help of some examples. And like suppose I have given 2 multiplied by 5 plus 10. So this can be solved if we are using distributivity of multiplication over addition. So this will be 2 multiplied by 5, then plus 2 multiplied by 10, and that will be equals to 10 plus 20, that is equals to 30. So here we have solved it by using distributivity of multiplication over addition. Okay, one more example we can take. This was one. Another example is, suppose we have given 3 multiplied by 117. We have to find out this. Now pay attention how we will do this. Here we will be using distributivity. As you know that 117 can be written as 100 plus 7. As you know very well that 117 can be written as 100 plus 17. So we will write it as 3 multiplied by 100 plus 17. This is equivalent to this, isn't it? Now we will be using distributivity of multiplication over addition. So this will be 3 times of 100 plus 3 times of 70. Now it is very easy to multiply any number with the numbers which are followed by 0. So this will be 300 plus 51, and the answer is 351. Understood? So here we have also used, most of the time we will be using this kind of situation beside this. And one more example I am telling you, this will be the third one, in which, let's see, suppose we have given that we have to calculate 25 into 4 plus 25 into 16. This we have to calculate. How we will do? As pay attention here, this is just equivalent to this part, a into b plus a into c, because two terms are same here. Like here is 25, here is also 25. As you will see, it will look like a into b plus a into c. It means in the place of 25 we can read it as a, and 4 and 16 are c. So this is also equals to this part, so it can be written as a multiplied by b plus c. So let us try to solve it in this way. So this will be 25 multiplied by, inside the bracket, 4 plus 16. So this will be 25 into 16 plus 4, 20. This will be 25 2s are 50, and one more 0, 500. So isn't it easier to solve this? It will be very difficult for most of the students if they will be thinking about 25 into 16. So this is the easiest way, understood? So somewhere we will be using like this, and somewhere we will be using like this, understood? So this is a very important property. Pause the video and note it down. Okay, now let's see additive identity and multiplicative identity. Few things also we have to understand. Look, what is meant by saying identity? Identity means, if you must have seen you also are having identity cards, school ID card. The school ID card tells exactly what you are, isn't it? It means, if suppose my name is Samin Purohit and that is my identity card, so it will be showing my name only. Nothing information will be related to anyone else. All information will be related to me. Okay, and that will be my identity. So same here, we have used additive. Additive means we will have to go by the operation of addition. So here I am writing, first I am writing that 0 is additive identity. Why? Let us see. Like, if what number should I add, because we have to find out additive identity, what number should I add in any whole number, or for example 2, so that its identity will not be changed, the answer will be 2. And as you know, what should I add? 0, isn't it? So 0 is the additive identity. Understood? Okay. Similarly, by which number should I multiply 2 to get the same? The same means to get 2, and that is 1. Very good, that is 1. If I will multiply any whole number by 1, I will be getting the same. Here it will be 2. Understood? So here I am writing 1 is the multiplicative identity. Understood? This is also very important. It can be asked in the form of true, false, or correct the statement. Okay, one question from my side I am asking you. Can you tell me that by which whole number should we divide any whole number so to get the answer as exactly the whole number which was being divided? Understood? This is the question, and you will give me the answer in the comment section. Like, this is the question: by which number should I divide 3 to get the answer as 3? This you have to solve yourself, and then you will write the answer in comment section. Understood? Okay, and don't forget to comment. So okay, pause the video and note it down. So now pay attention. This is exercise 2.2 and it is written, find the sum by suitable rearrangement. Look, one method is that we will just find out the sum, but here it is written that we have to find out the sum by rearrangement. Let us try to understand what is meant by rearrangement. Suppose we have given a number 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9. So how we will go by this? Now let us pay attention. If we will be using rearrangement, then we will be adding 1 plus 9 together, these two, because it will make 10. Similarly, 2 and 8 together, plus 3 and 7 together, plus 4 and 6 together, and plus 5 alone. So now pay attention. What will be the benefit? We will be doing the calculation faster. This will be 10 plus again 10 plus again 10 plus again 10 plus 5. 45 will be answer. It will take less time because it is very easy to add the numbers which are preceded by 0. But if we will be going like this, 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 6, it will be very difficult. Understood? So same thing we have to use in this rearrangement, that if there is a possibility that after adding the two terms we will be getting 0 on unit place or in tens place or in greatest place, we will be using that. So like what we have observed, that the unit place of this is 7 and the unit place of this is 3, and that too will, if we will add 7 and 3, it will become 10. So we have arranged them together and this alone, and we have solved. Understood? Similarly here, its unit place is 2 and its unit place is 8, and 8 plus 2 will become 10, so we have arranged them together. And here unit place is 7, and here unit place is 3, and 7 plus 3 will become 10, so we have arranged them together, and this is the answer. Understood? If in examination the question is that find the sum by suitable rearrangement, and you are not using this kind of formation, you are directly adding 837 and 208, and whether your answer will be correct, you will not be awarded with any marks. Understood? You will be getting 0. So this part you have to pay attention. Okay, pause the video and note it down. So now let's see question number 2, that is also find the product by suitable rearrangement, and the same thing we have to do here. We have to find out those two numbers by which multiplying those two numbers we will be getting like 10 or 100 or 400 or 300, means the unit or tens digit should be equals to 0. So here we have found out if we will multiply 2 and 50, it will be giving 100, and the remaining is here. Similarly here, if we will multiply 25 and 4, it will be giving 100, so this will be here. Similarly here, if we will multiply 8 into 5, it will be giving 40, means unit place 0, so there is a possibility. So we have arranged 8 and 125 together, and similarly here 625 into 16. Understood? So this remaining parts you will do yourself. Okay, remaining parts you will do yourself. Now I am taking question number 3. Pay attention. That is based on distributivity of multiplication over addition. Now pay attention in question number 3, which says find the value of the following, and as what we are seeing, here are two operations used just in a single question, that is multiplication as well as addition. And we have just read a property that was distributivity of multiplication over addition, and in which I have told you that in how many manners we can use that. That was the second. Here you can see clearly, here 297 and here is also 297. So this is quite similar to a times b plus a times c, and that we have understood, if that can be written as a times b plus c. So this is b and this is c. 17 plus 30 20, and we have found out the value. Similarly in second part, 54,279 is in both the terms, so it is that will be taken as a, and the remaining, like first one 92 and here 8, that will be taken as b, b and c. So this will be 100, and we will find out the product. So similarly in c part, 81,265 is in the place of a, and in d part 3,000 in D part, what is common? Oh, I think nothing is looking common, but we'll have to make like, if we will multiply 73845 with 15, I think it will be giving something like some. Okay, you will do yourself. No need to take any kind of tension. You will solve C part and D part also. If there is nothing to take common, just do it as we normally do, that we will multiply the numbers and then we go for addition. Understood? Understood? Okay. Then the next is, okay, the remaining question 4, 5, 6 and 7 we will be taking in the next video, because today lots of noises there. Some construction work is going on at my home, so that is why I am not being able to make the videos properly. If I will be continuing the video, then there must be some disturbance in sound. Okay, see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day and Jai Hind, and don't forget to like and subscribe.